Welcome back. I'm Coach Tina. This is the last of the How to Get to Your First Pull-Up series. If you're here, that means you have already mastered the hold above the bar. That's step one. You've got 8 to 10 seconds nailed down. And if you're here, it also means that you've also mastered the negative, which is going from above the bar, slowly, evenly, and with control, all the way down to the bottom at a dead hang. So you're here because those are mastered, and this is your final step. In this final step, I want you to find some sort of elevation where, I'm setting it up, when you reach overhead, your arms are fully extended. So I'm not in an elevation where my elbows are bent. You want to be completely under the bar with your arms extended. And in this stage, from this fully extended position where you can see my feet are touching the surface, I'm going to pull myself up from that fully extended arm but not dead hang position. You're going to keep practicing the negatives and these pulls from a foot supported position. And when you do this, you'll see as you pull, my core tightens. Having your legs squeezed together, the inner thighs, and your core condensed, your ribs knitted down, this gives you more, I think the word is, the weight is condensed, so it's easier to pull yourself up. So imagine if you pick up your dog and the dog's lying like this, and the dog is 40 pounds. It's a lot different picking up a box that weighs 40 pounds. The box that weighs 40 pounds will be easier because it's all in a condensed shape. Whereas if your dog who's 40 pounds is lying like this, it's gonna be a lot harder. So when you get under the bar and practice this pull from standing, squeezing my inner thighs together, my core condenses, and I pull. So that's what I want you to practice. And then the final step, which I can talk about now, because you're going to practice that, and then you're going to end up testing, is you're going to go from an even lower position, I'll move that out of the way, where you're actually going to hang. So you're going to test yourself from a dead hang position for your pull-up. So those are the 3 stages. Oop, you probably can't see me. You've got the static hold, negatives, pull from a standing position. You're going to work from the pull from the standing position for a little bit. When I say a little bit, several weeks. And then you're going to start practicing from a hang position. Good luck, and please do share what your results are, or if you need any feedback, write it down below. I will always see the comments, and if this has been helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Good luck on your pull-ups.